Hey, welcome to section number 3. That's right, we're going to be getting into more advanced vocabulary words that use the B sound. But before we jump into those words, I want to give you a little bit more tips on how to make the B sound properly. Now, in section number 2, I showed you visually how to make the sound, but I want to emphasize certain things. So we're going to go back to my drawing and I want to show you something. So in step 1, we're going to look at step 1 first. The level of effort is minimal because you're literally just putting your lips together. So you don't need to use a lot of energy or a lot of your muscles. So let's say this is just 10% energy. So again, very basic. Very basic to start. Now, when you get to the second part right here, the second part is when you are going to need some energy. Look at this part right here. You're going to need a little bit more effort, more muscles to do this. So let's say you need 50% of your muscles in your mouth and your face for this one. Watch. So first, very relaxed. Second, you see, I drew my lips in, right? So about 50% effort. Now, when you get to the third step for making this sound properly is when you need all of your effort. So again, remember I said for this third part, you're literally going to be pushing the air out of your mouth. So you need 100% of the effort. So watch me real quick again. Step 1, step 2. Step 3, B. I use a lot more effort. B. You could tell, right? So again, when you're trying to make this sound, remember those 3 steps in your mind. Together, in, effort, out. So again, B. Excellent, excellent. Now let's jump into the vocabulary words, the advanced vocabulary words that use this sound.